So in today's video, we're going to be rearranging the beauty room. My baby bought me this really beautiful brown, I think it's cup holder. It is not a cup holder. Oh my gosh, things I say, I'm just like, really, Jade, really. It's a big, beautiful brown, I'm not sure. But anyways, he bought me one, and so I'm going to be removing all this stuff, and we're going to be fitting that in here. I'm going to be removing all this stuff out of the beauty room. It's a mess right now because I did a PR unboxing, but we're going to be removing all this stuff. I'm going to be packing and shipping all the goodies for the giveaway. I've been doing a lot of YouTube lives and giveaways. Make sure you guys have your post notifications on so you guys can participate and win some of these amazing goodies. And then there's some more that I'm going to be adding in here as well from the giveaway box, and I will be showing you guys the giveaway box as well. A lot of you guys know of the giveaway box, but a lot of you guys don't, so I will definitely be showing you guys that very soon. So we're going to be pretty much removing all of this stuff. I did a live PR box unboxing, but it got deleted. I reached out to YouTube, so I'm currently still waiting to see if they can put it back up for me. But let me know down below if you guys would like to see me redo that PR box unboxing. Some of you guys have been curious where I got this. I got this at the thrift store. Some of the stuff that I find from my organization is there. Like this brown shelf, I found it at the thrift store. I went early in the morning and it was there. I found two, a white one and a brown one. So you just have to go early in the morning to see what you can find. I found these shelves at IKEA. They're always there. You can just buy these ones. I will link it down below. And these ones don't slide out all the way. So there's other drawers that slide out all the way that I have been contemplating on whether or not to get. But to be honest, I don't need more shelves. You know what I mean? If you have more storage, you tend to like fill it up. But yeah, so I got these ones at IKEA. I know what you're thinking, this is so much makeup, but you guys, this is my job. So I receive PR, I purchase a lot of makeup, and you're always trying to get the latest launches and what's new, all that good stuff, or what's favorites. So you got to take that into consideration as well. So yeah, and I'm a makeup hoarder, so there's that. There's a lot of confetti on the floor because my babe came in the room and popped one of those big confettis. It was on live. I believe it was Facebook Live. And yeah, it is everywhere, you guys. Everywhere. It was in my makeup drawers, everywhere. So that's why it's all over the floor. I picked up a good amount of it, but todavía there was still so much. And yeah, so this is me sweeping it all up, getting it all up. I wanted to move everything out of the room so that I can get all of it because it was everywhere. It was like glitter, you guys, everywhere. It was everywhere. This is the other shelf I was talking about. It was black when I got it, but I painted it white. I forgot. So I painted it white so that it would pop more. But yeah, see, more storage, more places for me to put the stuff. So here's the room. It's empty. Well, not all the way because I still have my desk in there. But oh my gosh, you guys, completely empty. It hasn't been like this in a minute. So I'm just going to pull this forward and get the rest of the confetti, you guys. I'm telling you, it was everywhere. And I'm cleaning my desk because it was really bad as well. But yeah, can you guys believe it? Those poppers were literally everywhere. Here's my little Noah inspecting the room. Oh my gosh. He was really surprised on how empty this room looked because the kids are just used to like it having so much makeup. So here it is. Nothing in there besides my lights and my desk. I will be doing a video of my setup, all of that good stuff once this is completely done, so I can give you guys all the tips and tricks on that. So this is the thing that my babe bought me. I helped him put it in the room. I was struggling a little bit, you guys. I don't got that much muscle. So this is it. It is so freaking beautiful. I will link it down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase one yourself. It is so beautiful, you guys. Once I seen it, I fell in love. I'm still in love. Like, look at it. It definitely makes a huge difference compared to the other ones I had. The other ones worked for a long time, but babe wanted to, you know, do something different and surprise me with this. So this is like my Mother's Day gift. It is so beautiful. So I'm just cleaning it, making sure that it's, you know, nice and clean. Babe added my IKEA drawers to the ends of it because I cannot get rid of my IKEA drawers. Those have been rocking with me for a long minute. So I'm just making sure that everything is clean. Even though I already wiped it down, I'm going to double wipe it down just so everything's clean. Everything smells so good. So I just went in with my Clorox wipe and just got every single corner of this shelf. This shelf is so freaking gorgeous, you guys. I can't get over how beautiful it is. I can't wait for you guys to see upcoming videos. There's me and that little fan. And my little nena, mírala. Oh, she was exhausted. Okay, loves. This, oh my god. Look at what my baby gifted me. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So gorgeous. I love it so much. So I'm going to be organizing a lot of things. So there's a lot of things that I have not like decluttered fully yet. So I'm going to be doing that, going by palette, see if I want it. I'm going to have one for donations and one for giveaway. So I'm going to be going live a lot on YouTube. So make sure your guys' notifications are on so that I can send you a gift, okay? And even in this video, leave a way where I can reach you and I will just be picking random. So let's get it.
So you're gonna go through all of them?
Yeah. This is one of the first Too Faced palettes that I got in PR. My first PR from Too Faced. I wanted to organize this drawer. At first I wanted to do all drugstore, then I started mixing a little bit of high end in there. I wasn't sure on how I wanted to organize the drawers just yet, so I was just going back and forth, moving palettes around, trying to see what would fit in here, what works, all that good stuff. So I wanted to just do a drawer, just drugstore. So I wasn't sure. So I moved on to the next. And yeah, look at my sticker. Legs FAMBAM. Whoop, whoop. So I moved on to this drawer. This is my high-end primers and my glitters. And it was just all too cluttered. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to take everything out. And we are just going to try and see what works best. So if a drawer is too cluttered, you guys, just take everything out and just restart. Clean it out. Because if it's too cluttered, you're not going to want to play with it. So I literally just kept doing that. Each drawer I took out, I was just like, oh my gosh. And I'm just starting to declutter. declutter everything. If I don't use it, if I haven't used it within the past 2 months, boom, it's gone. That was the LA Girl face plate that you can use to mix your foundations and be a little fancy. So yeah, that's what I did with all the drawers. Take them out, declutter, and it worked. Oh my gosh, look. One of the babies put their teeth in here, so I'm telling y'all, declutter your stuff. If you have kids, I bet you anything in your drawers, they probably hid some stuff. So here's all the makeup that I still have to go through. So it's a lot. So I'm just going to continue to do this. Just take everything out and try and think about what I want to keep, where I want everything to go, how it's going to, you know, work for me, having this drawer first, second, third, fourth, so on. So, and I have doubles of things where I'm like, Jade, you don't need that, you know. And then I have my gemstones that were gifted to me like years ago, and that should go in a different place. I had my ring in there. So it was just so much. Go in with the Clorox wipe, clean it out, and we're going to start fresh. So I wanted to start off with my sunglasses. I love sunglasses, you guys. I was laughing because as I was doing this, I was like, oh my gosh, my favorite color really is pink because I have so many pink sunglasses. But this drawer, helping me do this drawer first because it was less complicated, it really helped me keep going. Because if it's too complicated, I didn't want to do it. But doing the less complicated drawers first helped out so freaking much. So honestly, do what works best for you. Here's my sunglasses. Look how beautiful they look. I'm in love. So now moving on to the next one, and this one's going to be my eye contacts. So I wear a lot of contacts, colored contacts. My favorite ones are from colorcl.com. Use code Alexisjayda to save some money. But this was the second less complicated, and I got it done. So now I had to sit down because you guys know I got back problems. So I'm just going to continue to declutter the makeup that I have, going through it, all that good stuff. If I have backups of extras, I'm going to either put it in a giveaway for you guys or donate it. So I'm just going to literally go through drawer by drawer and just go through everything and think, am I going to use it? Am I not going to use it? This right here is my backup drawer. These are things I'm going to keep. I cannot part with, you guys. These are things I cannot part with. I cannot. But here is more of the stuff I got to go through. The two face foundations you guys see, those will be in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys have your notifications on, and this will be continued, you guys, because I still got lots to do. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see the journey of me decluttering. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Besos!